changes, or we have to build some scaffolding for that
That's okay.
changes.
You are
So
having
no
existing
additional.
no, that is for construction.
No additional.
That's
Yeah.
it is being. Good guys. So for this, I think I will also put here the same thing.
Can put no additional concerns. Okay, no concerns identified.
Yeah, no concerns, yes, because we are using
And
the same
statement
one.
just one guide what above that gas under pressure or storage cylinder something water pressure, because we will be doing the hydro test, right? So the don't spray not applicable. See water under pressure in pipe work, okay, because they are going to do the hydro test. Bottle gas for construction activity. So hydro testing activity. And for bottle under gas, you can put for welding and cutting, like as a construction hazard.
Okay. So okay, no problem. Pressure hazard.
So what you will do? Okay, you'll just if you have the ready-made, you can put it.
Yes,
Otherwise,
I have ready-made. I have ready-made here,
just
so I can
put
put.
the same thing. Yeah,
Yeah,
because these are pretty standard things. Either
yeah,
you do it. Maybe maybe it's a serious injury or 3C or something. You can put it.
yeah.
Whatever you have it in previous.
No, I have it. I have it. So I will make it hello.
No, it's
I will
not
do it. No,
elbow
no,
PC.
no.
Top.
I will make a standard one. I'm making it for my understanding.
Okay.
I will make the standard one so that I don't miss. I'm not putting it here. I will put it. I will put it.
Okay. Just put these things.
Yeah, sure. Air pressure. Even I put air pressure also. Air pressure is also applicable. Okay, that I'll put 1.6, correct. Okay, object under tension is not applicable here. The dynamic situation, I think no additional concern here because we are not adding manpower. Maybe in construction, probably when we come in the construction part in the later stage, we can add it. Or you want to add something on construction part also here, Rakesh?
Yeah, because see the crew movement and everything. So that also you can put vehicle movement. That is
Yeah,
also standard one.
yeah.
Just once you add it, send it to ILF team for their review. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Sure. Even this part I will also put it here because this is the use of hand tools.
Are you